Kaibigan, paumpisa na po ang ating third quarter at maganda nga po ang ating crowd dito sa Cuneta Astrodome sa Pasay City para panoorin itong second game for our doubleheader today. Labanan ng Pure Foods at ng Santa Lucia. As we start the third, we find Santa Lucia on top by 2. At may report ang ating kasama si Marjon Magu.
Ed, unahin natin dito sa Santa Lucia. Nakakwentuhan natin si Assistant Coach Adonis Tierra at sabi niya very satisfied daw sila with their defense in the first half dahil nga naman well scouted daw nila yung mga plays ng Pure Foods, so napaghanda nila ang karamihan nito. Kailangan lang nila sa offensive better ball movement while the Pure Foods defense insists on sitting in the zone. Para naman dito sa Pure Foods, nakausap natin si Assistant Coach Ronnie Magsanok. Kailangan nila better ball control because turnovers and the transition play of Santa Lucia has been killing them. Kailangan malimit nila Santa Lucia below 80 points. And sa opensa naman, pinaalalanan sila not to get frustrated. They have to look for what the Santa Lucia defense is giving them. Back to you guys.
Well, there's the Santa Lucia defense at work. Lamang ay tumapak si Denok Miranda ba si Ryan Reyes?
Well, that's Denok Miranda. Almost another turnover once again for Pure Foods.
Nasasabi lang ni Magu, no, na pinag-iingatan dapat ng Pure Foods, naagawan sila. Roger Yap inbounding and it's stolen. Medyo malagkit talaga yung depensa ron ng Santa Lucia. Walang libreng player ng Pure Foods.
Yeah, I think both teams should be very proud of their defense.
Yeah.
Santa Lucia talked about it, how they were able to limit Pure Foods, but Pure Foods not too shabby. Dalawa lang naman ang kalamangan ng Santa Lucia.
That's right. Well, here, nasa opensa ang Santa Lucia. Dennis Espino. That's the money shot para kay Dennis. And this is actually the biggest lead ng Santa Lucia. Pure Foods had a 7-point lead at one instance since first half. Ano ito? Offensive foul.
Well, obviously, some of the players not really listening doon sa pinag-usapan nila during halftime because for Pure Foods, it should have been 3 turnovers already. Almost their possessions this quarter have led into turnovers.
And apparently, Roger Yap is still stinging after that offensive foul call back in the second quarter, also against Ryan Reyes. From the same spot, Dennis Espino hits it and gives Santa Lucia the 6-point lead. Coming out of the halftime break, 6-0 run here. 4-0 run rather by Santa Lucia. Inside, Relini.
Good move.
Yes.
Good move on the part of Reda. Usually I would see him go to that right-handed jump hook. Binigla niya si Wesley Wilson. Diretso na kaagad. Si kaliwang kamay. Kaya rin ni Relini.
He's got 8 in the game. Kelly Williams, nakakita ng buwang. But again, Relini is there to obstruct his view. Roger Yap. Nandun si Kelly Williams Here's Denok Miranda. Value play. Wilson says, I'll take care of it.
From the half-court line, eto si Kelly Williams. Tinuturo niya na dito kay Denok Miranda. That pass a little short. If he put it up a little higher, that would have been an alley-oop. But good job on part of Wesley Wilson to clean up the mess.
Lead is 6 para sa Santa Lucia. And again, the defense of the Realtors gets them this transition play. Kelly Williams finishing it off. James Yap. And Relini gets it back. The tap by Ryan Reyes tumama kay Relini.
Ang kulit ni Ryan Reyes. Grabe. He's responsible for a lot of those turnovers, quick hands, and just helping on every occasion.
Biggest lead of the game, 8 points for Santa Lucia. Espino. Williams from way out. Para kay Kelly Williams. He has 19 points now for the Santa Lucia cause. At binigyan niya ng 11 puntos na kalamangan ang Santa Lucia Realty over Pure Foods as we go to this timeout.